Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be replacing the blower control module. If you're having issues with your air not really blowing very hard or even not at all, I would start with your resistor before you get into replacing the whole blower motor. Your blower motor control module is going to be right in here. So if you pull this panel off, let's see how well I can get in here and show you. Right here. So on the bottom, I don't know how well I can show you, but the 5mm bottom and top. You gotta take those off and take your two plugs off. So I'm gonna start with that. So we got our two plugs pulled right off. You can see. So in here, one on the bottom. I don't know how well I can show you. Don't actually being up in here, but there's one somewhere right there where my finger is. Then there's one at the top, and they're both a 5mm. So that'll be our next step, is taking that off. All right, so just like that, I got our old one out. We're gonna replace it with our new one here. I will say this, with these, if you can, it's best to go OEM, because I got one off of Rock Auto for about $40 and it didn't even work at all. And then I bought one from AutoZone. It was like $100. It worked, you know, it works, but you can definitely tell that it doesn't blow as hard as what it used to from the factory. So I somehow was able to manage to find a factory one off of moparstore.com. So if you can, your best bet is to find an OEM one. So we're gonna go ahead and put this new one in, and this should fix our issue with not getting much airflow. All right, so we got our new one back in. Put our panel back on. If we can get it in there, let's see. There we go. And job done. There you go, guys.